WhatsApp wants a phone number. Give them one, just not yours. Here's the thing, WhatsApp doesn't just want any number. It runs a carrier check before it even sends you a verification code. Free VoIP numbers? Rejected. Shared public SMS sites? Blocked. And whatever number you hand over gets permanently stored in Meta's systems, tied to your account forever. So if you've been trying to sign up with a Google Voice number or some free online service and it keeps failing, that's exactly why. WhatsApp is built to filter those out. What actually works is a real SIM-backed rental number from MobileSMS.io. These are genuine carrier numbers, not VoIP, so WhatsApp accepts them without any issues. And because they're long-term rentals, your account stays active and re-verifiable whenever you need it. No getting locked out because a number expired. Here's how to get set up. First, go to MobileSMS.io, create a free account, and add credits you can start with as little as $5. Second, select WhatsApp as your service, choose your country, and grab your rental number. Rentals start at $7 for 7 days, and you can extend for as long as you need. Third, open WhatsApp, enter that number with its country code, and wait for the verification code. It typically shows up in your mobile SMS dashboard within 30 seconds. Once you're verified, go straight to your WhatsApp settings and turn on two-step verification. That 6-digit PIN protects your account even if the number ever gets reassigned down the line. That's the whole setup. WhatsApp gets a valid, real number, your personal number stays completely off the table, and your account stays yours long-term. The link is in the description. Go grab your number at MobileSMS.io.